NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question number 13. If P a by 3, 4 is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points Q minus 6, 5 and R minus 2, 3, then the value of A is option A minus 4, option B minus 12, option C 12 or option D minus 6. Let us find the answer. We are given that point P a by 3, 4 is equal to midpoint of Q minus 6, 5 and R minus 2, 3. Let us consider Q as x1, y1 and R as x2, y2. The formula to find the midpoint of these 2 points is average of the x coordinates x1 plus x2 by 2, average of the y coordinates y1 plus y2 by 2. Now let us substitute the values. X1 is minus 6 plus x2 is minus 2 divided by 2. Y1 is 5, y2 is 3. 5 plus 3 by 2. That is equal to minus 6 minus 2 by 2 is minus 8 by 2, which is equal to minus 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. Therefore, we get minus 4, 4, which is equal to a by 3, 4. Now let us equate the x coordinates. We get a by 3 is equal to minus 4. A is equal to minus 4 times 3 is minus 12. Therefore, from the given options, option B minus 12 is the right answer.